Hi, I'm Dr. Kunj, and today I'm going to talk to you about VOCs, Volatile Organic Compounds, the stuff that's killing you and you don't even know about it. They're molecules like benzene, formaldehyde, ethylene glycol. It's all around the house. Today I'm going to check you in some places where you'll find VOCs, and I'll show you how to measure it and how to avoid it. The best way to monitor your VOCs is to buy one of these trusty handheld meters that do continuous measurements. So you can literally watch it improve or worsen right before your eyes as you go into different rooms. Come with me. That new car smell. That smell is VOCs. Sets this thing off the meter. The scariest thing about VOCs is that they actually smell good to a lot of people. Dang it, Elon. We're never going to make it to Mars if we all die of VOCs first. So what can you do to get rid of the VOCs from the new cars? Well, just open the windows and crack the doors. Because in the Tesla, you can't leave the windows down unless you crack the door. But you gotta air it out, ventilate. Another thing that sets this VOC meter off the charts is working in an office pod. You probably recall that WeWork had to get rid of thousands of office pods because people's eyes, nose were burning and they were getting headaches. So the only thing you can do is ventilate. Leave the door open, put in an air filter. So we'll go over now what you can do to avoid all this indoor air pollution. The simplest thing to do, ventilate your room by opening the door. Yeah, just let some UV light in, it's worth it. You can also just work or sit outside in the fresh air. Another thing you can do to make the VOC values on this meter plummet is you can turn up the fan on your hood. Here I am on my bicycle desk. This thing is awesome, but it makes the VOC meter go through the roof, specifically with the carbon dioxide level. So what do you got to do? We got to ventilate. Get some air. The other thing we can do is use an air filter. Best to use one that is a HEPA filter with an activated charcoal filter. I've even seen stories saying that passing gas increases the VOC meter. Use that HEPA filter with activated charcoal and avoid some cows. That's all for VOCs today and indoor air pollution. Be healthy. Don't buy products containing VOCs because if you don't have to deal with it, that is the best solution of all. And hopefully all of you out there buy products that don't have VOCs so that the rest of the world starts making products that don't contain things like formaldehyde, benzene, things that don't need to be anywhere in your body, accelerating death, causing cancer. Just be out there, be healthy, be VOC free. Thanks.